Did you know that up to 80% of visible aging is preventable? A lot of what we attribute to simply getting older is actually within our control. We often focus on expensive creams and treatments, but our daily habits play a huge role in how our skin ages. Today, we're diving deep into 7 common skin sins that could be adding years to your face. And trust me, some of these might just shock you. Are you ready to expose these sneaky agers? Let's go. Okay, let's get real for a second. We've all heard it a million times. Wear sunscreen. UV rays from the sun are like tiny darts constantly attacking your skin, breaking down collagen and elastin, the very things that keep your skin plump and youthful. Think of it like this. Every time you step out without sunscreen, it's like leaving your skin defenseless in a boxing ring with Mike Tyson. It's a recipe for premature wrinkles, sunspots, and even worse, skin cancer. No thank you. Now I know what you might be thinking. Sunscreen feels so heavy and greasy. Trust me, I get it. But the good news is, the sunscreen game has changed dramatically. Gone are the days of thick, white pastes. There's so many amazing lightweight, non-comedogenic formulas out there that feel amazing on the skin. Find a broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher that you love and apply it every single morning, even if you're just staying inside. Let's talk about exfoliation. Now, exfoliation is important. It helps to slough away dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. But over-exfoliating can actually do more harm than good. Think of your skin's natural barrier like a delicate flower. When you exfoliate too often or use harsh scrubs, it's like taking a weed whacker to that flower. It disrupts your skin's natural balance, leading to dryness, irritation, inflammation, and guess what? Premature aging. Instead of going overboard with the scrubbing, opt for gentle exfoliation. Chemical exfoliants like AHAs and BHAs can be super effective at removing dead skin cells without causing irritation. Look for products with glycolic acid, lactic acid, or salicylic acid, and start slow. Use them once or twice a week, gradually increasing the frequency as your skin tolerates it. All right, this one's absolutely crucial, folks. Sleeping with your makeup on is like giving a green light to a swarm of bacteria to party on your face all night. Throughout the day, your skin encounters dirt, oil, pollution, and various environmental aggressors, leaving makeup on overnight traps. All that grime against your skin, clogging pores and causing breakouts. Not cute. But there's more. This buildup can also break down collagen and elastin, leading to, you guessed it, premature aging. The fix? Make cleansing your face before bed an unbreakable habit. Choose a gentle cleanser that effectively removes makeup and impurities without stripping your skin of its natural oils. All right, let's talk about hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, but it's especially important for your skin. When your skin is dehydrated, it's like a dry sponge. It's rough, flaky, and more prone to wrinkles. Moisturizer helps to replenish your skin's moisture barrier, keeping it plump, supple, and youthful. Think of it as giving your skin a tall drink of water. Now you might be thinking, but I have oily skin. Do I really need moisturizer? The answer is a resounding yes. Even oily skin needs hydration. In fact, Using the right moisturizer can actually help to balance your skin's oil production and prevent excess sebum. The key is to find a moisturizer that's right for your skin type. If you have oily skin, look for lightweight, oil-free formulas that won't clog your pores. Chapter 6. Be kind to your skin. Here's the thing, guys. Your skin is delicate. It's not a brick wall. Using harsh skincare products, like those loaded with alcohol, sulfates, or fragrances, can strip your skin of its natural oils, disrupt its pH balance, and cause irritation. And you know what irritation leads to? You guessed it, premature aging. Instead of subjecting your skin to harsh chemicals, opt for gentle, pH-balanced formulas that are free of irritants. Look for products that are specifically formulated for sensitive skin, or that are labeled as non-comedogenic and fragrance-free. Remember, skincare shouldn't sting or burn. Be kind to your skin. It's the only one you've got. Chapter 7. You are what you eat. At least your skin is. Let's dive into the link between your diet and your skin. You've likely heard the phrase, "You are what you eat," and it's spot on. What you consume directly impacts your skin's health and appearance. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can cause inflammation, oxidative stress, and breakouts, all of which can speed up aging. Conversely, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats gives your skin the essential nutrients it needs to flourish. Think of it this way. Fruits and vegetables are like nature's skincare. They're loaded with antioxidants, which help protect your skin from environmental damage. Lean proteins supply your skin with the building blocks it needs to produce collagen and elastin. So, ditch the junk food and embrace a nutrient-rich diet. Chapter 8. Stress, the silent skin ager. Let's dive into the topic of stress. Stress is something we all encounter. It's an inevitable part of life. But chronic stress can be detrimental to your skin. During stress, your body releases cortisol, a hormone. Known as the stress hormone, cortisol plays a key role in your body's stress response. In moderation, cortisol is beneficial. It helps regulate metabolism, blood pressure, and the immune system. But constant stress keeps your body in a state of high cortisol production. Over time, elevated cortisol levels can harm your skin, causing inflammation, collagen breakdown, and slower wound healing. In essence, stress speeds up the aging process. So how can you manage stress to protect your skin? Exercise is an excellent way to relieve stress. Physical activity releases endorphins, which boost your mood. Outro. So there you have it. 7 sneaky habits that could be adding years to your face. The good news is that by making a few simple changes to your lifestyle and skincare routine, you can protect your skin and maintain a youthful glow for years to come. Remember, skincare is not just about vanity. It's about taking care of your overall health and well-being. When you feel good in your skin, you feel good about yourself. Thanks for watching, and remember to be kind to your skin. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button for new videos. Thanks.